Oh, it didn't come up? Don't worry about it.
Oh, ask him if I can call that. Oh, no, question. No, okay, you can get it up. He's gonna bring it to us. Yeah, and tell him I'll call him right back.
It didn't come up. It didn't come up.
It's gonna take a while. It's just on, I don't know how.
Oh,
It's gonna pop up, but I don't know what triggered it.
oh,
Oh, yeah, you can put it up there.
yeah, I did. So it didn't come up this time.
No, no.
Okay. Let the record show that the court is convened in this cause, being cause number 322-383, the state of Texas versus Benjamin Steele. On the 28th day of September of 2021 at 3:28 p.m. that the defendant, counsel for the defendant, counsel for the state, and all members of the jury panel are present. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You have been summoned to this court as a prospective juror in a criminal case. The defendant is Benjamin Steele, and Mr. Steele is represented by his attorney, Mr. Jansen Bailey. The state is represented by Assistant District Attorney, Ms. Julie Maxey, and Attorney Ray Shearer. And there's also Attorney Daniel Boyd, who's sitting in the jury box, will also be assisting the state. He is also, all three of them are assistant district attorneys that work for the Honorable Bob Wortham. The court reporter is Mrs. Christy Smith. She will be taking down everything being said, so speak up when you are answering or asking questions. The bailiff in our case today is Mr. Charles Porter. The defendant stands charged by information with the offense of assault family violence. The state and the defendant, through their attorneys, have the right to direct questions to each of you concerning your qualifications, background, experiences, and attitudes. In questioning you, they are not meddling into your personal affairs, but are trying to select fair and impartial jurors to hear and decide this particular case. If at any time you would prefer not to answer certain questions in the presence of the panel, just say so. And I will ask you to come up to the bench so that we may discuss it more privately. And I will turn on our noise so that the rest of the panel would not be able to hear what is being discussed. Is the state ready to proceed?
State's ready, Your Honor.
Is the defendant ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you may be seated. Ms. Maxey, the panel is yours.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, and we will give you.
So before we begin, there's an issue with the list that we have to.
Okay,
Can we approach?
okay, just hold on a minute.
Yeah.
The juror number 2 is not, that's sitting there, is not the juror number 2 on this list. So there's a mix-up somewhere with who is sitting where.
Oh,
That was
he must
interesting.
have,
Which he is not a white female.
Mr. Porter. He says that juror number 2 is not juror number 2. Juror number 2 should be Margaret Blaine. And juror number 3 should be Jennifer Elise Fertitta. Okay, let me do this. Don't worry about it. I'll handle it. Okay, let me do this here. Okay, just have a seat. When I call your name, just please raise your right hand. Robert McInnes. Matthew Tyndall. Iman Wildridge. Lindsay Blake. Lionel Sarah. Oh. Yeah. Okay, let me do this here. Just, okay, we're gonna go off the record.